Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you like this content, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to have a little fun today. If you haven't heard, there is a new way to garden called chaos gardening. Some may think it's lazy, but who can't do with a little less work? Chaos gardening is a fun way of gardening and perfect for beginners. If you're wondering exactly what it is, it's like survival of the fittest for plants. Here's what you do. Number 1, pick your seeds with a mix of fruits, vegetables, flowers, and herbs. If you're not sure what you want, here are some great ideas. Fruit and vegetable seeds like tomatoes, carrots, radishes, lettuce, squash, and strawberries. Flower seeds such as marigolds, zinnias, and sunflowers. Don't forget herbs like basil, dill, cilantro, and rosemary. Number 2, place them in a bowl and mix them all together. Number 3, toss them into your garden like confetti, or if you prefer, sprinkle them across the soil. Number 4, lightly cover with just enough soil to protect the seeds. Number 5, water and let nature take over. Number 6, watch the magic happen. You will notice, just like a garden, you spent time carefully planting each seed. Some will thrive and others will not. Don't worry, this is to be expected. Why chaos gardening? First, you're not lazy, but you will save time, lots of it. No more planning and agonizing over companion plants or which plants belong in the shade or sandy versus clay soil. No more trying to make perfectly straight lines for your seeds. Second, biodiversity equals healthier soil and fewer pests. A mix of plants confuses pests and reduces disease problems. Third, survival of the fittest. The strongest plants thrive without extra care, making your garden more resilient. Fourth, natural companion planting. The plants will help each other grow by improving the soil nutrients and attracting pollinators. So if you're looking for a fun, unique way to garden that screams success, give chaos. Gardening a try this year. You will end up with a picturesque garden that looks like you're walking through an untamed meadow or valley. It will surprise you at every turn. You may find you never want to go back to traditional gardening. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.